Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Whether you're accessing your email campaigns or checking your automation workflows, logging in is the first step to managing your marketing efforts effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ActiveCampaign.com. This will take you to the ActiveCampaign homepage where you'll find all the necessary options to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. After clicking login, you'll be directed to a page where you need to input your account name. This is the unique identifier for your ActiveCampaign workspace, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've typed in your account name, click the login button to move forward. This step ensures that ActiveCampaign knows which specific account you're trying to access. Now you'll be taken to the main login screen where you need to input your username and password. Enter both credentials carefully, as these are what secure your account and all your marketing data. Once you've filled in both fields, click the login button again. At this point, ActiveCampaign will send a verification code to your email address as an added security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Check your email inbox for the verification code. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you have the code, return to the ActiveCampaign login page and input the verification code into the designated field. After entering the code, click Verify. This final step confirms your identity and grants you access to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Now, if you happen to forget your account name, don't worry, there's a simple solution. Go back to the initial login page where you first entered your account name. Below the account name field, you'll notice a text that says Forgot Account Name ? Click on this text to access the account recovery process. You'll be prompted to insert your email address associated with your ActiveCampaign account. Type in your email and click Retrieve Account. ActiveCampaign will then send you an email with detailed instructions on how you can log in and recover your account name. Follow those instructions carefully and you'll be back in your account in no time. And there you have it, you've successfully logged into your ActiveCampaign account and learned how to recover your account name, if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.